So wait, if I get charged, does that technically mean that I got the box logo? Cause I might have got it.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today is the day. We are going for the box logos today once again. I know we tried last week, but hey, we took a major L. Like, I waited for the restocks, took an L. I waited for the drop, took an L. I barely saw my checkout cart. I didn't see nothing really much going on, but we did try, and that is what mattered. Today we are gonna go ahead and try again. I am also gonna be trying my little bot from yesterday's video, so hopefully we do end up getting this box logo today. I'm trying to do everything possible. I know we got manual users out there cringing right now at the fact that I said the word bot, but hey, we take so many L's that at the end of the day we gotta try and get it some way, bro. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, make sure you click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in a giveaway, and right under that link is going to be my room tour video, which you guys should go ahead and check out. Get that video to 1,000 likes and we will also have another Supreme giveaway for you guys. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So it's literally should be dropping right now. Yo, I feel like it's gonna drop late, but I never know, so I'm right here with it. Low key, I thought I was gonna be late, but I think we made it, bro. It still hasn't loaded, but we are trying to see what's up with it. They loaded. Holy shit. Come on, load up. Give me an XL. Come on. At the cart. Shit. I'm gonna try on my phone as well. I feel like my computer's acting retarded right now. I'm gonna go ahead and try on my phone. Shit is crazy right now, people. It is not letting me add the cart right now. We're trying though. We're definitely trying. This one's stuck on adding. I'm gonna go on the actual Supreme website and see what happens on there. Come on, this shit is stuck, bro. There's nothing going on right here. It says I have it in my cart, but it's not letting me like check out. So like, what the fuck? I'm not getting shit on my computer. This is another breakdown of the bullshit. It says I'm processing on the bot, but I honestly don't know how true that is. I'm about to go on the website and try to do it on there right now. Even letting me add to cart at this point, I just feel like I took the mean L. The sizes aren't even updating on my laptop. Like, this shit is just a shit show right now. It says I got it in my cart, but it's just not letting me see the fucking cart. And then on the computer, it's literally doing nothing. So like, what the fuck do I do, bro? My cart is non-existent. Like, where the hell is the cart? Apparently on the fucking computer, every size is still there, which is not true. I don't know why it's saying that to me, but like, bro, let me just slide through and get one of these bitches. Like, why you doing me like this? They trying to home me, bro. This is so annoying right now. I just need the fucking tea, bro. Like, yeah, no sizes are updating on my computer. This shit is ridiculous. Yeah, nothing's adding to my cart. This shit is annoying. Like, let me open a new tab maybe. I feel like they're all gone at this point. Like, it's just ridiculous, bro. It says some of them are still here. It's just not letting me through. Like, it's not letting me add nothing to the cart. Yo, this shit is annoying, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna stress how frustrating this is right now. I just wish that I could get through on something, bro. Like, I feel like I keep taking the L's, and it's just back to back at this point. Like, this shit is annoying, bro. I honestly thought I'd be able to cook up, but at this point, bro, I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm about to go try and buy one of the other teas that I wanted, but I am a little bit disappointed. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I feel like I took the L, but I still don't know for certain. I feel like they are gonna restock. If they do, I'm gonna try, but y'all already know how that goes. I feel like a lot of people actually do cook up on the restocks. I'm gonna see if I could get through on some of the other teas, because I don't understand why it's not adding to cart. Like, it's not doing shit. I feel like every tea is sitting because everybody's going for the box logo. So I'm about to just go ahead and I can't even add the other teas to cart. The site is broken, people. Officially, there's nothing you could do on this website right now. It just doesn't make no sense. I am beyond disappointed, bro. I thought I would be able to at least get something today. It literally just let me add the other shit to cart. I'm assuming that means that all box logos are gone and all the bots are fucked. Like, that's probably what that means. And that's exactly what that means. All box logos are gone at this point, and that's why they're letting everything else go through. They can lick a tip, bro. I am so disappointed with Supreme. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It's frustrating, bro. Like, you try and get here, you try and do what you gotta do, and they just don't let you. Like, it's so annoying, bro. Like, y'all don't understand. I feel like I'm just whining at this point though. I am just gonna buy a couple of these teas and call it quits, because at the end of the day, bro, Supreme can lick a tip. That's the only thing that I'm getting out of this whole live cop right here. Supreme can literally lick a tip. I couldn't add the shit to my cart. Like, when do you see shit like this? I'm gonna just rack up on some of the other tees, call it a day, because honestly, bro, they pissed me off this morning. I feel like I'm just grabbing what's left at this point, and it's so frustrating because I really wanted those box logos. I got 4 tees in my cart right now. I'm gonna just say fuck it, balls to the wall, and just buy these 4 tees. I might end up raffling 2 of them because I really only want 2 t-shirts from this whole drop. That's it, bro. Like, this shit was a big old disappointment in my opinion. I couldn't get through on nothing. I literally didn't see the checkout screen till right now. And if you cooked up, man, let me know in the comments below, how was the website for you? I literally couldn't even go to cart. Like, I don't understand what happened today. I'm gonna just bite the bullet and say fuck it, let me just buy these 4 tees and keep it stroking with my day, bro. I'm honestly not gonna let this get me down too much. Right now it's processing, so I ended up checking out on these 4 tees. I'm still pissed about the box logo, but what can I honestly do? I got 4 tees, which I honestly don't really want. I want to keep 2 of these. 2 of them I'll probably end up raffling to you guys. But honestly, bro, while I was recording the video over there, I feel like I took the L, but I did go ahead and check my PayPal transactions afterwards because I do use a PayPal card. It actually got charged for $53 before I made the 4 shirt purchase, which only means that the bot went through. Bro, I don't know if this is for certain. I'm honestly waiting on a confirmation email, but when it comes to Supreme, you honestly never know if they're even gonna send it. I didn't get refunded the money yet, so I do feel like I may have took the W, bro. It's been ever so long since I copped something good, and the fact that I had to use a bot to get through is insane. I feel like for manual users, there's no checkout button. Everybody in the Discord, which you guys should join, the link is also down below, took a L. I feel like there's somebody in there who probably took a W, but we're waiting on confirmation emails. It's just insane in my opinion. That pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like on it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in a giveaway. Click the room tour video down below as well and get that to 1,000 likes. As soon as it does, we will start a Supreme t-shirt or shoulder bag giveaway. Fuck it, we'll do a Supreme tee and a shoulder bag in the same giveaway. Just let me know once it hit 1,000 likes. Without any further ado, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.